experiment where a sine wave has to be displayed on a CRO using a DAC interface with 8255. Here the DAC IC that we'll be using is 0800, which is connected to an operational amplifier. So through port A as the output port, directly connected to a CRO probe, we will be displaying the sine wave on the CRO through channel X or through channel Y. The control word that we'll be using is ATH. So as I said before, port A, port C and port C will be configured as output ports if the control word used is ATH. So before you actually write down the program, we will be dividing the entire sine wave into 64 different coordinates, so each corresponding to an angle of 6 degrees. So before you actually start writing the program, you write down this table where you have the first column with the angle theta in degrees, the second column is sine theta, the third column is calculated according to the formula 127 plus 127 sine theta, where you get decimal values. For example, for 0 degree, the corresponding decimal value is 127, and 127 converted into hexadecimal is equivalent to 7f. Okay. So like this, you will be calculating it for all values up till 360 degree. That entire table will have to be written down before you write the code for the sine wave program. So inside the data segment, we'll be defining an array with all the 64 values. 64 values can be reduced to 60 by avoiding repeated values, 4 repeated values. So here we will be displaying the sine wave on port A, where your CRO is directly connected to port A through the dual DAC interface. So right now we have connected the CRO probe to channel X, and there are two options, either channel X or channel Y. So here we can connect it to channel Y. You can also note down the power connections. You have minus 12 volts, plus 12 volts. The third terminal is not connected and the last terminal is ground. Please make sure that you will be connecting the same way as shown. Right now, here also, the first wire green color is connected to minus 12. The second one yellow is connected to plus 12. The third one is not connected, and the last one, the black wire, is connected to COM or ground. And remember to please switch on the supply before you start the experiment.
No connection, ground. And this wire, probe wire red to wire black.
Now we are executing the program. Debug DAC.exe. Nice sine wave on the CRO. The more accurate values you have displayed on your in your data segment, the better sine wave will you get. Once you get the output, you need to note down the amplitude. Here the amplitude is 1, 2, 3, 3.2, 3.4. 3.4 into 5. So the amplitude or the magnitude of the sine wave is 3.4 into 5. So 3.4 into 5 is 17 volts, right? So your amplitude of the sine wave is 17 volts. You also have to calculate what is the frequency or time. So you can see that here on the x-axis is 1 unit, 2 unit, 2.2, 2.4. 2.4 into 0.2 milliseconds. So you also have to note down the time value as well as the amplitude value. So the amplitude is 17 volts and the time is 2.4 into 0.2 milliseconds. So that using the time value, you can also calculate what is the frequency. Frequency will be 1 by the time value.